Hey, I can get myself on camera, assuming I got the right way. Yeah. I'm just sitting here having my lunch. I just had Macca's in the cemetery. So, someone over there. It's a loud person, that's okay. There it is again, did you hear that? So sitting here, there's a loud noise happening. There's nobody. Okay. Just heard a loud noise, like a stone was being thrown. It freaked the shit out of me. I get a bit of reflex when I'm back on Macca's. I love this grave. I can't get enough of this grave. This one here.